Hello everyone, welcome back to Creative Twine. Today we're gonna show you 8 creative doodle ideas to do when you're bored. First, draw some regular hexagons. Then keep dots in the middle. Then connect them as shown. You can color it in any darker and lighter shades so that it will look like a 3D figure. For the next doodle, draw some curves as shown. For the next doodle, keep a dot in the middle and draw some curves as shown. For the fourth doodle, keep a dot and draw some concentric circles around it. For the next doodle, take a black pen and a ruler and put a box. Then draw some squares in the box. And put X in each squares. Then color it as shown to give a 3D look. The next doodle is a SpongeBob flower. For it, draw some flowers as shown and shade it with any lighter shades. Then keep some bold dots in the middle. You can also outline it with black pen. For the next doodle, draw some small triangles, which is basically a line which makes it like a triangle. Then put a black border. You can now color it of your choice. For the last doodle, draw some random curved figures and color it yellow. Now add emojis of your choice. You can also outline it with black pen. Thanks for watching. See you on Saturday.